I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with essentials so you can act fast. Install the ADB Toolkit and add the binary to path, because commands must run from any folder. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging on your Android so the host can communicate. This is why trust prompts appear. Connect the device via USB, then run a DB devices to confirm connection. If your device lists as unauthorized, accept the RSA prompt on the phone. Make sure to rerun a DB devices until it shows as online. Now you move into the middle of the workflow with practical commands. Use a DB shell to execute shell commands on device. This helps inspect logs, file permissions, and running processes. When moving files, a DB push and a DB pull are faster than MTP because they stream over the debugging channel. For app testing, a DB install installs an APK and a DB uninstall removes it, so you iterate quickly. Make sure to combine R for reinstall and D for downgrade when needed. These flags avoid common. Finish by verifying your work and collecting evidence. Use a DB logcat to watch runtime logs and a DB bug report to gather full diagnostics. This is why you can reproduce issues later. When done, revoke USB debugging on the device or run a DB kill server to reset connections and free the port. If something goes wrong, check drivers, test a different USB cable, and target the exact device using a DBS serial commands. If authorization fails, recheck the RSA prompt and reboot the device before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.